Hello once again and welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to learn how to use customer accounts in Shopify. Customer accounts is a new feature that has been introduced in Shopify and it has two different categories. First, to understand what customer accounts are, they simply let your customer to log in to view their orders, profile information, and saved addresses. And when a customer logs in, their details that are stored in your account are autofilled in their checkout for faster checkout experience. And customer accounts are divided into two. We have what we call the classic and the new customer account. Those are the two customer accounts that currently Shopify is operating. In terms of features, the classic customer account and the new customer account have different features. In terms of login experience, the customers can log in using an email and password or sign in with Shop. And in terms of login experience, for the new customer account, customers can log in using a one-time 6-digit verification code that is sent to their email addresses. So in terms of account creation, you can also notice that the classic customer account creation accepts accounts invites or create new account from the origin page. And the new customer accounts are created when a customer logs in using an email address. So those are the main differences about the two different types of customer accounts, that is the classic and the new customer account. Now, how do you use these two customer accounts in your Shopify store? You will log into your Shopify store, and in this YouTube channel, we have different tutorials on how to use, create, and even add products in your Shopify store. And you are welcome to watch all those tutorials in case you may need a guidance on the same. So to use the customer accounts on Shopify, you come to your account. Here I'm already logged into my Shopify account. Then on the left hand side, you click on settings, and then it will open these details, your store details, your plan, billing, user payments, and all these. And then under checkout, you'll see customer accounts. And this is where now you set up those accounts. You click on customer accounts and it will open your customer accounts details. So you notice a customer account lets customers log in to track orders, view history, and save addresses for faster checkout. So as we have explained before. So we have the new customer account. You notice you can see the new customer account here, and we have already explained the differences between the new customer account. And then you come down here, you notice we have the classic customer account. And with the classic customer account, customers simply log in with email and password, and they need to create an account to accept an account invite if you invite them to your account. Now, how do we use these two accounts? So for both customer accounts and classic customer accounts, they are accessible by URL. And so you can have the customer account here and the new customer account down here. So you can turn on the customer account down there. And with accounts in online store, you can edit by clicking on edit on the right hand side. And then now down here, you can show login link in the header of online store. And at checkout, you can allow that by just checking that. And you choose which version of customer accounts to use. Is it new customer accounts or the classic customer account? So if you choose the new customer account, customers will log in with a one-time code sent to their email. If you click on classic customer account, then customers will log in with email and password. And then the next thing you can change is the new customer account is the self-serve returns, where you can allow customers to request and manage returns on their own from their accounts. To customize this, you will need to read the return rules, and then you can click on turn on. Part of these return rules include that a return can be accepted for 30 days and free return shipping, no restocking fee, no final sales. You notice we have all the return rules here. And then you can have written return and refund policy. You can type your refund policy here and return policy. You can have your privacy policy here. You can also create from a template. They have templates here. And then once you have added that, including the terms of service, the shipping policy, contact information, you can now click on save. And in case you don't have details for this, for instance, contact information, you can create from a template. So those are part of the return rules or policies that you may need to add. So we are going to close that. And then now we look at the next one. So those are the return rules. Once you have served that, you click on turn on. That way, now here it's now turned on. So customers need to access a new customer account to request returns and to give access. Either they add the customer accounts or they can manually add as new customers. So in case you don't want to use this, you now switch it off. You turn off self returns. So the next thing, you can add or share this URL anywhere you'd like to give customers access to new customer accounts, maybe like in your online store, theme, or a support message. This is the URL that you share. You simply copy that URL. In case you want to manage it further, you can click on manage domain so that you are able now to manage your domain. Either you can connect with an existing domain or you can buy a new domain. So next, you can also create the classic customer accounts, and customers log in with email and password, and they need to create an account or accept an account invite. So with this, you can do branding where you customize classic customer accounts in your online store. You click on customize theme, and then this opens your theme. By default, Shopify uses the Dawn theme, but then you can now change all these customer login. You can edit all these details. You can rename parts of these things according to what you want. The other thing you can do with a classic account, you can sign in with Shop to allow more than 100 million Shop users to sign in with their Shop account. With this one, you need to activate in Shopify payments, and once the Shop is activated, they'll be able to automatically turn on this feature, sign with Shop. Currently it's off, and more details about this, you will notice that it is under update classic customer accounts, and you need to have a paid premium for this to use this feature, and it can hide classic customers accounts with this feature. That is, if you no longer want customers to go to customers accounts from your online store checkout, then you can hide links to customer accounts, and then you can also update classic customer accounts with this feature here. And that is simply how you use customer accounts for Shopify. But as you copy these links, as you want to share these links, you notice like we have this link. If you copy that link and you want to share it somewhere, you can always shorten that link by going to sites such as shorturl.at, and then you simply paste your link there. You notice it's a longer link. Then you click on shorten URL. So you notice this is our short URL. Compare this one and the original URL. So you can copy this, and then you are now able to share, it with your customers. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.